morning, beautiful people. Dominic here with another quick video, and today I will be showing you how to replace a car battery on a 2009 Hyundai Elantra. Tools needed: ratchet and extension, 10mm socket, and a 12mm socket. After you pop your hood, you have to remove the negative and positive, and you will need a 10mm socket to do that. Set it to the side. You will need a 12mm socket to remove this screw down here so you can be able to pull the battery out. So now that the screw is removed from this little bracket, you can go ahead and just remove the battery. So now that the battery is removed, time to get your new battery and install it. Get your new battery and go ahead and sit it in. So after you set your battery properly, you want to get your bracket and your screw and just put it down in there so the battery won't be able to go anywhere. It'll seat the battery properly. And you just take your 12mm socket and tighten it up. So I'm pretty sure your battery came with grease. I like to put this on, keep it from getting corroded in the future, so it won't get rusted. Keep a good contact, and on top of that, your battery, the cable will be easy to get off the terminal. So that's why I like using it, and I recommend it. Use some grease. So you put just a little grease on there and wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and put your negative terminal on. Make sure it's pushed all the way down. Otherwise, you know, the alternator can't do its job. All right, so I had to take a hammer and like an extension, just hammer this lightly on the side to tap it down. If you had a hard time getting it down, you know, because you want it to be all the way down there before you tighten it up. Otherwise, the alternator can't do its job. 10mm socket, tighten it up. I'm gonna take the other terminal and do the same process. What I mean when I say make sure it's pushed all the way down. Now look at that one. That one's, is that a terminal sticking up through there? But this one is flat. If you can't get it down, I just use the hammer and an extension, a regular extension. And just gently tap it. Just double check that it's all the way down there. I'm trying to wiggle it. I haven't tightened it up yet, but make sure it's like a little tough to wiggle, and then tighten it up with a 10mm socket. All right. Try to wiggle it. It's nice and tight. And get on the inside, try to start it, make sure everything crank perfect. Car start up just fine. No battery light. And that's how you replace a car battery in a 2009 Hyundai Elantra. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.